everyone, welcome back to QKR YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Today I brought this new pantyhose to review Gabriella Star's color tights. And also before I'm reviewing that I'm wearing right now is K Pantyhose 20 denier coffee nylons. Do you like that? Before we get into that, please smash the like and subscribe button. Especially subscribe if you haven't done yet. I appreciate that. If you're interested in more contents of me, exclusive content, please check out the link of my website below description box and also I will put this in that video. Thank you guys. Let's get into this review. Alright, the Gabriella Fashion Collection stars colors. The color is a pink and orchid and size 3, which is medium. Okay, let me open this package. I haven't expected how much I like that or how much it would be cute before I opened this package. And then, oh my gosh, I love that this color. It's really, really cute. And I don't know why somehow this one reminds me of some cute scarf. So I'm just joking around, trying this pantyhose on my neck as a scarf. Toes area is very clean and simple. It's not reinforced toe. And the waistband is pretty decent size and decent thickness. It's just very simple, and they have a T shape of control top. Except this T shape of waistband, it's all over this stars patterns from toes to the contour top. And also they have a cutting set which I like and I feel comfortable in. So it's time to try this on. Ta-da! So my legs in this super duper cute stars color pantyhose. And how do you like it? To be honest, I was surprised how cute they are and how much I like them. As you guys know, I have tried many different type of pattern tights, but I confidently would say that this one is one of my best experience for pattern tights so far. I adore that. It's just super cute. And it's quite soft compared to other pattern tights because some patterns or sparkles or graphic tights it looks very nice, but sometimes they have the rough textures or rough fabric, so it can give you itches on your legs, or sometimes you don't even want to go out wearing this tight. So compared to that my experience before, I really like this Gabrielle Stars color one. Since I chose this black mini dress for today's outfit, so this stars color pantyhose goes really well. So might as well I brought this my open toe black high heel, black sandal high heel. This model and this package looks like Christina Applegate, which means this model is really pretty. And the best part of this tights is even though this is pattern tights, it's not like uncomfortable. It's actually more like comfortable with fully starched patterns all over your legs. And the second best of these tights, cute stars patterns and two colors in a pair of pantyhose. So one colors each side, pink and purple. They both are really cute. And those stars are very small and filled it with the colors. So you don't feel like that the pink and purple's too much on your legs. It just looks natural and cute, adorable. Even after reviewing this video, I can tell I really like this because I didn't want to take this off this pantyhose. So I took lots of a photo shoot and short video or selfies and stuff because I like that. And then also I'm going to post those pictures and video on my membership site. Yeah, I definitely give thumbs up to this pantyhose. As you guys can tell, I really like that and I have a desire to wear this out. I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please share your opinion in comment. I will read your comments. Once again, please subscribe my channel and my personal membership site. You can find the link in description box. Bye guys.